I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. Several years ago when I started doing these tool restorations, I was really lousy at it. I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I think one of my first videos was removing rust from files, and I just basically dropped them in vinegar and ta-da, I was done. I wish they could all be that easy. But anyway, back then a friend of mine gave me a big box of tools that were his father-in-law's. And so I didn't know if I had the skills to do it, and I just kind of threw them in a box and forgot all about it. And then a couple days ago, I was cleaning up after my last video, and I saw that box, and I thought, what's in here? And I started looking around, and I could totally fix up some of these things. So I thought, let's give it a shot, and that's what I want to work on today. This is a spoke shave. It's very, very rusted, obviously. And it's got I don't know if you can see that there. There's a hole in the handle. I think it's probably maybe it's like from welding splatter or something. I don't know. But I'm going to fix this, and you get to watch. So let's get started. Well, that's it. She's done. I think she looks pretty good. Granted, I'll probably never use this. I don't even think that blade would work. I just tried to make a blade as best I could. I don't know anything about making blades. I just found something that seemed like the right thickness and that was about the right size. And the one that was in there, as you saw, was it was toast. So, this holds it in place, and we can look at it and go, hey, that's not rusted anymore. And I suppose one day if I ever find a real blade, I can put it in there. But anyway, in the meantime, hope you enjoyed it. I'm glad you watched, and we'll see you next time.